Hello and welcome. My name is Kevin Henry, an information security auditor and educator, author of several certification courses in information systems audit here at Pluralsight. Welcome to this course on conducting audits in the area of IT governance. I look forward to sharing knowledge and experience with you. This course will help you gain an essential understanding of how to review and assess the IT governance function within an organization. Auditing provides valuable information. Auditing provides valuable information about the value that IT investment provides to the organization, and as auditors we need to start at the top, reviewing the very governance of the IT function itself. This course addresses the topics of IT governance and laws, IT audit controls, and enterprise risk management. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about auditing IT governance here at Pluralsight.